quite a few of us running the Fantom icon V4 motor experience a rattling sound, and this happens because you can see here the 3 M-bell screws on the side is a little bit too long. So when the motor rotates, this creates vibrations or play because of play of the M-bell. It creates some vibration. That's why there's this rattling sound. The way to fix it is very easy. We just have to put a 0.1 mm thick shim. Can you see that? 0.1 mm thick shim, M3 shim on the screw. I will suggest some thread lock on the screw also before we screw it in, and this will remove the play and also the vibration, so you won't get this sound anymore.